Hello, my friends. So let me guess, you're here because your stove won't light. Super frustrating, I know. But hopefully I'm able to give you a little tips and tricks. We'll take this apart, take a look at it, look at some common causes, and hopefully get you back on your way so you can have a useful stove. So when I turn the burner on, you're gonna see this igniter right here. That should be sparking. You'll notice that this side does not spark, but this side does. The good burner, this is what it should be looking like. With this bad burner, there's just no spark. So that means there's something wrong with the igniter. The most common cause is that this port that is right below the igniter, it gets clogged. It gets clogged with debris over time. So what you want to do is just take a paper clip, and you just want to, the little hole that's right below it, just go ahead and kind of lightly, but you know, getting in there a little bit deeper, just go ahead and clean that out. Your stovetop may not look like this. You may have one where this top actually just comes right off, and you can take that top off and you'll see that there's some little channels that go around there. Go ahead and just clean those out. Most of the time, that's gonna solve your problem. However, for me, I have an issue with this igniter not even getting electricity. So we're gonna take this apart. So in order to take this off, this little piece, this whole burner unit comes out. You can put your hands under here, lift this up, and then you're gonna wanna push it backwards. Kinda gotta wiggle it. There we go. And it just lifts right out, very easily. You can see in the back, this is where the igniters go into. It's where the electricity comes from. And then these are the two gas ports that then feed to these two burners. So we're gonna take this apart so we can take a look. In order to ensure that this burner is actually bad and it's not the electricity going to the units, we're gonna remove the other side and test it out over here. So this is the good burner, and if there's no issues with the electricity going to it, then this should light. And it does. So with this, we know that this unit is good, the electricity being set from the stovetop is good, and this burner is something we'll need to take a look at. You can actually replace this whole burner. It's usually between $250, $300 to replace this whole unit if you don't want to take it apart. However, that's not me. So I'm going to take it apart, take a look, see if I can't fix it myself. So in order to take this back part off, there's 9 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll have to remove these screws so we can take this whole bottom part off. And there we go. So, taking a look at this, remember here's where electricity goes through here, one goes to this burner, and another one goes to this burner. Since both of these burners are not igniting, to me it feels like there's something to do with this cord and this cable. So I ordered a replacement and we are going to take this apart. So first we can start by removing these little clamps that go to the igniters. This you just have to pull up like that. The same thing for the other side. There we go, just like that. Now we're gonna need to remove this plate, which then connects to here. Okay. That's all there is to it. So this is the old part. Here's the new part. Comes with everything that you need. It's literally just plug and play. So we'll go ahead and feed this back through here. Go ahead and line that back up. Put your 2 screws back in. And then put these back onto the igniters. There we go, that's one. And the other one going on here. Okay, now that this wire is back in, we can put the top on. And put those 9 screws back in. Button it all up. Now with it all buttoned up, let's go try it. So when you go to put it back in, these 2 electrodes right there need to feed in right here and right here. And then these 2 gas ports right here and right here need to go right there and right there. It's pretty easy, but you just want to make sure you're guiding these in and don't jam it in. It should fit in nicely. All right, feeding this in, nice and gently, wiggle it around. There you go. And with the back, push it this way, so it really seats in there. Okay, moment of truth. Let's try it out. Yo! Yo! Look at that! Look at that! Oh my gosh. I did not think that was gonna work. But it did. Oh, let's try it again. Yes! Yes! Oh, I am super happy. Honestly, I wasn't really sure if it was gonna work, but I mean, look at this. Proof is in the pudding. Yep. Yes, we have fire once again. Okay, well, there you go. Pretty simple, easy, straightforward. Honestly, just a couple screws. So I'm confident if I can do it, you can do it. But if you have any questions, go ahead and leave some comments down below. I'll help you out, check it often. Also, big ask, if you found this video helpful, please just hit the subscribe button. You don't need to hit the bell, you don't need to even hit the like, just hit the subscribe. That would be hugely beneficial. So thank you for your time, and way to go. Way to take it on yourself. You got this. All right, my friends, till the next video.